Left side feed to Arbor Jackeye. Rookie defenseman will line for Dvorak at center ice. He'll lose to Hedman, who carries across the blue line right circle. Hedman pulls up, and he shoots off the outside of the post. Hedman centers it. Quick shot. Score! Killorn! Well, Killorn gets the goal, but what a play by Victor Hedman. First stealing the puck and then making the play in the offensive zone. 1-0 Lightning.
Hedman made a great play at the blue line of the Montreal Canadiens, but what I liked more was Killorn stopping just inside by the hash marks. Wide open. Nobody around him. Hash marks. And he just snapped it. A beautiful pass by Hedman. Boy, oh boy, how many times do I say the puck always comes by those hash marks?
Up the middle, Point bounced off his stick, but he still makes a move out to center ice, 2-on-1. Point across the blue line, left circle. Point holds in front. Hagel, backhand shot, save made by Allen. Well, a brilliant play by Point, and Allen came up with the goods on the save on Brandon Hagel. Back for Kucherov, right circle. Kucherov behind the net, Perry. Power play, Lightning up 1-0 in the first. Now Stamkos left point. Center point, Sergachev, 35 in the power play. Right circle, Kucherov in front. Point shoots, score! Middle center for Braden Point. He also has goals in back-to-back games. And he makes it 2-0 Lightning with 5:51 left in the first.
You know what made that goal work? The quickness of the pass from Kucherov to Point. And no hesitation whatsoever by Braden Point on that shot. Pass comes right to him, and he just snaps it as quickly as you can go because the pass from Kucherov was so fast.
Doc drop past Cole Caulfield. Caulfield lugs it to center, hands off Suzuki. Across the blue line to Dvorak, left point. A pass stolen by Belmar, couldn't get it past Dvorak. A steal for Suzuki. He looks to dump it in front. Vasilevsky had it, lost it. He tried to give it to Cole, and Cole fumbled it. That led to a backhand chance in the low slot for Cole Caulfield. Save Vasilevsky, and he holds on. Sergachev collects behind the Lightning net. A pass off a skate, but it's grabbed by Cole. Couldn't clear. Kovacevic, a left point shot is stopped by Vasilevsky. He lost it! And a quick shot right there from Doc.
Another giveaway by Vasi.
Paul out to Colton at center ice. It's going to bounce to the Montreal end for Justin Barron. Headman feed, Dvorak. Across the blue line, Slavkovsky, high slot. Shot! Save made by Vasilevsky with the glove, and he holds on. It's grabbed by Dvorak in the left corner. He's pinned by Hedman, but Anderson follows up left circle, and he shoots just over the net. Pressure by the Canadiens. Kovacevic, right circle. Right corner feed. Gooley put it in.
What a save.
Made Vasilevsky at Anderson. Point blank, Josh Anderson. And Vasilevsky, a terrific save to keep it 2-0 Lightning.
He was right at the bottom of the face-off circle to the right of Vasilevsky. The pass was right onto the stick. Vasi read the play, came over properly, and absolutely robbed him.
Hedman up the middle, Hagel at center, deflects it in and chases. Hagel pursues it to the right corner. Gooley there defensively, feeds Edmondson up the middle, Dvorak. Nice little pass on the left side, Slavkovsky clears, but Point knocks it down. Encounters across the Montreal line, squeezes free, cuts in front, score! What a goal by Braden Point! And it makes it 3-0 Lightning with 4 minutes left in the second.
Wow. That's all I can say is, first off, he tried to pass it, and nobody got the pass, so he picked it up himself, and then he broke right through the two defensemen of Edmondson and Gooley. And I'm going to tell you, man, he roofed this up high over the glove of Jake Allen, just like you were saying, David, up high, up high. And boy, did he roof it.
That's 1-on-4. He got around 4 defenders.
Yep.
Finally, Killorn comes up with it. A counter for Cirelli. 3-on-1 maybe across the blue line. A pass back for Killorn, blocked. And now the Canadiens counter. Caulfield to the Lightning end. Cole Caulfield, right circle. Shoots! Did that hit the post? Yeah. Vasilevsky looked behind him like it went in, but apparently it hit the post and came out. One by Point. Kucherov, right circle. Kucherov, right point, Bogosian. Shoots! Blocked in front. Rebound, Hedman, left circle. Fire! Save made by Allen. Bogosian, right point shot. Save Allen. Rebound. Score! Brandon Hagel! A juicy rebound in front. Hagel buries it. It's 4-0 Lightning with 11:29 left in the third.
Well, good shooting. Good shooting by Bogosian on the net. And who was the other one? Hedman. On the net. And everyone on the net. And Bogosian whacks it. Hagel's there. The rebound's right there. Nobody gets him. And Hagel puts in a rebound. Two defensemen get the assist.
Corey Perry gets a stick on it. He's looking to maneuver it forward to Belmar, and Belmar dumps this in. A fight brewing between Perry and Pezzetta. They drop the gloves. Not sure what started this.
Perry dropped his gloves first and threw the first punch. I know that.
Pezzetta does not have his helmet.
Hit him right in the nose, too. Because Pezzetta is bleeding.
Pezzetta lands a couple of punches on Perry's helmet, and the two players go down. 4:17 left, 4-0 Lightning. We get fighting majors on Pezzetta and Perry. We'll see if there are any additional penalty calls when we come back on Lightning Radio. Dvorak in point. Won by Dvorak cleanly. Edmondson to the center point. Gooley shoots and scores.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Hale just bounce it deep behind the Montreal net. Final few seconds tick down. And this one is over. Lightning beat the Canadiens 4-1. And what I would say was a mostly solid win. I know you weren't happy with the last couple of minutes, Phil, but the Lightning will take the victory. They end their two-game losing streak.
What I'm not happy about, the guy deserved a shutout. And they made two stupid plays on it that cost the goal and cost him a shutout. He deserved a shutout, and he got the win.
Brandon Hagel will be joining us from the locker room. He scored the fourth goal. Brandon, congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
So I know that the guys were saying the break, whether it came at a good time or not, you guys took advantage of the break. You came back refreshed and energized. Do you feel that that carried into tonight's game?
Yeah, I think so. Obviously, a 5-day break, it's going to go one way or the other. It's going to go really bad or it's going to go really good. And I think came out with some energy tonight and we're able to come out with the win.
Well, you know what, Brendan? It was really funny. I'm watching, and you were kind of close on that rebound, but you were able to get your stick on it, right?
Yeah.
And of course, slide it under. Now, let me ask you, if you're that close, what do you choke up a little bit on the stick? I couldn't tell.
It kind of all depends. I think my first instinct is not to just whack at it. You got to be a little patient and kind of grab it and make a move. Just whack at it. It's going to get into his pad. So I just kind of stayed patient, grabbed it, and was able to find an opening there.
Hags, thanks. Congratulations
Good luck
on the win.
Night.
Appreciate it. Brandon Hagel from the locker room. Phil and I back to wrap things up next. Lightning beat the Canadiens 4-1. They end their two-game losing streak, back on the winning side of things as they get ready for the Rangers tomorrow night back here at Amalie Arena.